Hey guys, I fixed the Super Tenere and we're gonna take it for a spin. Code 13 should be out of here because of the very expensive sensor, and starts up. No codes, but we're gonna find out if indeed there's no code. So let's take it for a short ride. Go. Bike seems to be fine, and I'm at 154 engine temperature. That's when the code 13 usually kicks in. They gotta just run the red. There's a lot of people that run reds around here. Man, it's so much smoother now. So I guess when I got it, the sensor might have been going south because it was kind of like lumpy, like a lumpy idle. I'm sitting in traffic and look at that, 215 degrees on the engine. That's pretty normal for sit and go type of traffic, especially in 93 degree heat, but no lights on the dash. That's exactly what I wanted. Yeah, this thing was a pain in the ass, but now it seems to be sorted out. And there we go, 221, and the fan kicks in. You actually feel the heat coming off the left side where the fan is. But once you start moving, it actually goes down pretty quickly. We're seeing a lot of Latinas out here, even in the suburbs, who ride scooters. You know, this whole Latino scooter thing is actually being kind of cool, because now there's like tons of scooters everywhere. If you want to buy like a cheap Chinese scooter, they're easy to get now. You can just go and buy one. It's been really pretty cool. I like it. I'm in 5th gear and the bike pulls strong. I lug a lot of bikes though. I kind of like that. I don't know why. You know, I haven't done a lot of commute riding or pleasure riding. It's all been like food delivery. Now that I've been banned from Uber, I have a little bit more time. Joining in on the Beltway on the Super 10. I haven't been in the Beltway in a while on a motorcycle. Man, I was riding so much before, and now, not so much. I miss going to West Virginia. I gotta take a trip out there. See if I can move out of here. You see how like good this thing is? Jeez, this is so nice, so comfortable. The suspension is like the second best I've ever had on a bike. The top one is the African Twin. The African Twin, it wasn't even electronic suspension, but it was better than this one. A little bit, not too much. Of course, this one's got more flexibility. Let me switch it to hard. Here we go. Soft, standard. Okay. This is on the fly. It does it on the fly. This bike likes to be on the fast lane, but I have to train myself to use the other lanes. Otherwise, you're going to get nabbed by the police. I think this thing is a magnet. It's too easy to speed on it. That's the problem. These big bikes, they're just so smooth. They don't even seem like their engine is being stressed at all. Like I told you guys, this is the bike that I miss the most that I've ever had. It's just like I fit so perfectly into it. silky smooth, and it seems like I'm still like more than half tank full. That's how incredible that is. And I'm getting great gas mileage. Okay, but I have been riding pretty slow. I do realize that. If you speed up, your MPGs are going to absolutely drop. But I'm very impressed with the 57 miles to the gallon. That's actually the same territory that the NC750 was in. I have not been doing a lot of videos, but I plan on doing a few more, and I'll see you in the next video. Remember, error code 13, check your pressure sensors. Alright guys, bye bye.